In unit number 2, we are discussing chemical change. In our daily life, we are experiencing different types of chemical change. Some of the examples are burning of wood, mixing acid and base, digesting food, baking a cake, rusting of iron. Then what even be a chemical change? A chemical change is a change in which atoms are rearranged during a chemical reaction to form a new substance. We discussed physical change in the last session. In chemical change, what is happening? A new chemical substance is forming. We are getting a new substance by the rearrangement of atoms. That means a chemical reaction is taking place here. Some of the evidence of a chemical change include a color change, the formation of gas, the formation of a solid, that is a precipitate, that is a precipitation reaction, a change in temperature, larger energy changes. So a change in temperature occurs because of the release of or the absorption of heat energy. So when a chemical reaction takes place, these are some indications. Which are some indications? There can be a color change, there will be a formation of a gas, the formation of a solid, or that is a precipitate, a change in temperature because of the release or absorption of energy, and larger energy changes when compared with the physical change. So these are some evidences of a chemical reaction, or these are some indication of a chemical change. Then the chemical changes are divided into different types. First classification is decomposition reaction. In a decomposition reaction, a single compound breaks down to give two or more simpler substances. As the name implies, decomposition. In a decomposition reaction, a single compound is splitting into two or more simple substances. In the second reaction, that is synthesis reaction, in a synthesis reaction, it is just opposite of the decomposition reaction. During synthesis reaction, reactants react to form a new product. In exchange reaction, it is a chemical reaction in which both synthesis and decomposition occurs. Chemical bonds are both formed and broken, and chemical energy is absorbed, stored or released. So these are the three types of chemical change. In decomposition reaction, there will be breaking of a single compound into two or more simpler substances. In a synthesis reaction, it is just opposite of decomposition reaction. In this reaction, the reactants are react to form a new product. There will be different reactants, and these reactants, it will make a new product. Exchange reaction, in which both synthesis and decomposition reaction can take place. In this reaction, chemical bonds are formed or broken, chemical energy is absorbed, stored and released. These type of things can happen in a exchange reaction.
Types of chemical changes. We can see different types of chemical changes taking place. Some of the characteristics of chemical change: production of heat, light or sound, production of gas not present in the reactants, a permanent change in color. There are different types of chemical changes. First one is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions are those in which one compound breaks down to form two or more products. Types of decomposition reaction. There are three types of decomposition reactions: thermal decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition reaction, and photolytic decomposition reactions. In photolytic decomposition reaction, the reactants absorbs energy from the light to break down chemical bonds and form products. What is a synthesis reaction? Synthesis reactions are reactions that occur when two different atoms or molecules interact to form different molecule or compound. Most of the time when a synthesis reaction occurs, energy is released and the reaction is exothermic. Some examples of synthesis reactions are: water is formed from hydrogen and oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed from carbon monoxide and oxygen, ammonia is formed from hydrogen and nitrogen. All chemical processes are accompanied by energy changes. When a reaction proceeds, it either releases energy to or absorbs energy from its surroundings. Some of the examples of exothermic reactions are lighting a match, a fireworks display, lighting coals on a barbecue. Here are some examples of endothermic reactions: melting of ice cubes, melting solid salts,